guys, welcome to Agape Farm. Here we do goat farming. We are on our piloting phase, and goat farming is not something that is hard. Everyone can do it. We are in Kenya. Welcome to Kenya, Agape Farm. And as you can see, these are our goats that we started with. They are few, yes, but we are looking forward to doing an expansion phase that we have already even started. But how can you start goat farming? So I'm going to welcome Mr. James here to tell us how someone can start, how many numbers should we start with a goat, and we can move on. Yes, Mr. James, welcome.
Yes, thank you. At least 12, even at least, because maybe if you have a food problem, that is why I'm saying 12, because feed problem, or maybe you are grazing them at a free range, then you can get that taking care of them may be difficult because it's the first time you're doing this. So this is why I'm saying that for you to start, maybe even you can start with 6, 12, but it depends with the kind of the type of land you have. If at least a little big, you can start with 20, but mostly I prefer 12 to 15 hapo. Ndio sasa utakuwa unaona tu ni sawa.
Yes, so I think starting with a good number is okay, so that you can learn. As we have never done goat farming, but since we started with about 10 goats, we were able to learn a few things. Right now we really know much about goat farming because we did a piloting phase of about 10 of them, and then we've added about 12 of them. So we have a good number in the farm. So what are some of the challenges that you can face as a goat farmer whenever you are starting? So Mr. James can give us maybe 3 challenges, or maybe which ones have you faced when you are with the goats?
Yes, challenges you may get. One, when they were brought here, they were rearing. Some were rearing, and even one was brought here while very tired. They were rearing. So we thought that could die, but by God luck, we used some medicines, drugs, so that we conquer about that disease. But realized that the goat recovered. So another challenge is when there's too much cold. You can get that they start trembling. Yani as if kunaona kuna makamazi. So tuliona hivyo tukasema pengine tujaribu tuone mbona hiyo makamazi yanatoka juu ya baridi, tukajaribu kutengeneza nyumba vizuri. Tunaweza nyumba nyingine hapo kadogo yenye tunadhani inaleta hiyo shida. But we realized later that after making a wood house, then there was some cold which still could come in. Then we managed using polythene. But now at least you can see, so that we have pneumonia, we're not seeing it. Then another one, problem we are seeing again, when they are mated, you can get that one is removing blood. So we asked the doctor to tell us about, but we realized that that problem will only continue like that when there's some abortions. So those are the kind of diseases that we experienced, but for now, I'm not seeing any problem.
Yeah, so it means that you've learned about how to take care of them and how to counter these challenges. So I think it's good to start with a few. Right now, since we already know the challenges, we are looking forward to doing an expansion, and we'll be adding some Gallas into the group. So this is our exercising zone. As you can see, our goats rest here. They also take time to mingle with each other, play. So here they just take time to relax before they head out to the field for zero grazing. For free range. We do a free range, not zero grazing. We do free range. So they will head out for a free range system that we have here. Since we have a small number with just a small magnitude, so it's easier to manage them. So we are breeders of Galla goats. We are coming from Homa Bay County in Kenya. So you can reach us anytime that you want on 0702 892 467. You can either call us or maybe WhatsApp us. So as you can see, these ones here, these are pure Galla, but these are our local East African goats that we chose, but they have some slight little bit high quality. That's, we look at their height. Before we take them, we look at their height, and we also look at their tails. How are they? So for the height, we need a taller one. We don't really need the small East African goats, but there are some East African goats that have good genetics. They are tall. So those are the ones that we usually look for. And also, we also look at the tail. The tail has to be dark, and also it should not be coiled in any other way that shows that it is not of a good quality. So we have 10 Gallas, 10 Galla does. We also have one Galla back. We also have a Boer Galla crossbreed, and also we have 6 local East African goats. Yes. So welcome to Agape Farm. See you in our next video. Thank you. Be blessed.